Hey, what's up? I just got the Tune M1. I'm gonna have it for a few days, so let's set it up and I'll give you a tour. This thing goes together really quickly. I've only done this in the shop with the guys who are giving it to me kindly as a demo. So the Tune M1 is a canopy topper. It gives you a pop-up space inside of this. I'm gonna have a lot of livable room. It's a really cool outfit. All right, so now we can hop right up in here. The Tune M1 weighs about 400-ish pounds, and it's customizable vehicle to vehicle, so the weight varies depending on which vehicle you have it on, how big it is, and which customizations you choose. This one is built out with glass all the way around. This structural glass, like I mentioned, is very strong. It's used in architecture of big buildings. You could also have it built with aluminum. It saves a significant amount of money and also adds security if you're parking it in an area where you may have expensive things inside and want to keep them more secure. All kinds of mounting all around this thing. It has T-tracks everywhere you can see on the outside and on the inside to mount various accessories. One of which that they have mounted in here, and you can see again, is this mounting bracket for your stove. So just a super slick way to store your camp stove. Now that's largely because the walls of this, you'll notice, are not mounted on the inside of the pickup truck bed. They're mounted on the outside so that it's actually equal to the width of the outside of your truck. While you're in it, it gives you a huge amount of space. This is a Ford Raptor. Does not have the biggest bed in the industry by any means. I think it's a 6-foot bed, so if that. And so there are even bigger ones if you had a full size or even a 6.5-foot bed on an F-150. But this gives you space to have a queen size mattress, or if you get the extender that they make, you can put a king size mattress up here. Easily enough room to sleep 2 people, and people build these out so that they can sleep families with bunks down here. It gives you a lot of livable space. This is all really tough material. You have a fan for exhaust, which helps with condensation. That said, we do expect that condensation could be a problem with this a little bit in cool weather, or cold weather in particular. We don't have any testing done yet, but we're looking forward to trying it out. I'll have this for the next few days and be camping in it this weekend in pretty cold temps. So we should learn a lot more. 6-foot test. 6-foot fit.
So yeah.
Sweet. And then these actually come down when you're camping. They're just to help you fold it in when you're putting it away. This keeps those from getting bunched up, so they fold in nicely. So as it is, you just do that, and then you're set up for camping. But this thing is a rock solid camper. Like, these windows, which are optional windows, you could also get this in aluminum, open up. We can open these and have fresh air all the way around. These guys all open up. So you got air here. We got those all the way around. So it's daytime right now, something you probably don't need at the moment, but so then you turn on that halo lighting and you get a nice even light all the way around with LEDs. So all the way around, this one has optional structural, I guess they call it architectural glass, which is what they use in skyscrapers. These are totally lockable. I just unlocked these. Push the button, give it a pull, pops right open. So fast. These are lockable. They don't have to be locked, but you could lock it down with a padlock if you wanted. That's it. Really solid, feels well built. I think the only concern that I have is condensation, and that's really going to be a matter of testing it and seeing how it performs in cold weather. There's some dissimilar materials in it, which could lead to some condensation issues, it sounds like, but I'm not overly concerned about it. In truth, I think with a little venting and a heater, it'll be fine. I get a little damp, but Just gotta make sure you dry it out when you put it away like any tent.